Hi everyone, I'm Shirley Eunice. I'm doing my postgraduate in SNS College of Technology. Today I'm going to take an article based on hybrid mobile architecture. We basically know that mobile architecture consists of hardware and software components. The hardware components of the mobile are the application processor that contains the components such as display, keyboard, power, audio, video, etc. So when we go deep inside to the architecture of design, we can able to see the bandwidth status, right user interface, navigation approach, real-time updates, push notifications, presentation layer, business layer and data layer. Once we have known about the mobile architecture, we can move on to the hybrid architecture. Hybrid architecture is one that combines or adapts one of the previously discussed systems. Like system manufacturer will connect multiple SMP machines using a high-speed internet to create hybrid system with a communication module involving two different levels of services. So generally hybrid cloud architecture is the combination of public and private cloud by a wide area network or broadband connection. While we compare the native and hybrid app development, we can able to see more differences. The native mobile applications are those which are built by using the specific programming language for it is designed for an example using Java and Kotlin. For developing native Android application and using Shift as a programming language for the development of operating system applications. The native development has its own merits such as it provides its data tools, libraries and integrated provides Android Studio which is managed by Google, and to develop iOS apps with Shift we need to Xcode as the IDE provided by Apple. These IDEs are the complete set software that include editor, compiler and debugger along with the layout designer, and the integrated versions controls supports considerably and increase the efficiency of the developers by allowing them to debug and fix easily. So native app provides several advantages in which they can be written in native languages and can make use of different hardware efficiently. Unlike mobile apps which are mostly require connectivity to work, native apps can work offline without any internet support and resume the connection. On the other hand, we have the hybrid app which are platforms that are used as a single code base to use for multiple platforms and can be said to follow the principles of write once and run anywhere. The majority of hybrid app frameworks uses HTML5, CSS and JavaScript beneath them. This code is the translator to the operating system on which they are supported to run. It requires minimal or no change in the code base. The main advantage of using a hybrid mobile framework to develop your application is that it can offer rich UI components which have been taken from web components and take benefits of both native and hybrid elements. Owing to a single database to be used multiple platforms, they offer a wider reach of audience. The development time can be considerably reduced as only one code base has to be developed for multiple platforms. The cost of development is widely reduced as the time to develop and code base is reduced. The iconic card component of hybrid framework has this UI component which is written in HTML and CSS. Apart from this, the iconic provides its own set of UI components which can ease the development of UI to a great extent to the use of grid layout based design and using ionic components such as cards, tables, among others which have been developed by the Ionic team and are available to use. Majorly, Flutter makes use of the dot programming language for writing the layouts and UI components of the application. It lists its UI elements as widgets that are inspired by React's view of native components, and the widgets are classified used to build UIs and layouts. The implementation of native app feature to be used was also compared. We found that UI development can be easy in Ionic and React Native for developers coming from a web development background, while Flutter and Xamarin can be a steep learning curve for them. For a successful cross-platform framework, there is a lot of scope in terms of the user interface. Bringing performance as close to native apps and supporting hardware features provided by the device. Advanced research and findings are necessary to develop a robust and all-use-based hybrid app development framework. Thank you all.